Hey, today I want to unbox an item with you. One of the items I want to unbox is this gaming stick. It's for children. Yes, it's very common. We have been selling it on market for the past 2 years, and it's a very good product. Yeah, especially for children who are in holidays, and it's very easy to use. Well, it comes with two game pads like this, and these are wireless. So that means you don't have to worry about the distance between the TV or between the console and the children. So they can play from anywhere. Even if you have a big living room, you can just connect the game pads wirelessly and they'll start playing. So it has two game pads and they connect wirelessly. They use AAA batteries, two batteries. So you have to buy like two pairs of the batteries to use them. Then comes with this. This is like connector for the gamepad. So this you plug it into the game stick, and this is the game stick. Yeah, it's very simple, very portable. So you plug in this into here like this. So when you plug it in, the gamepads will connect automatically. Yeah. So this is the game stick. This is the HDMI. So this one you connect into the HDMI of the TV. You just plug it in, then it has a power cable. This one, you plug it here and you plug into power. So then after plugging in, you'll be able to use it. Very easy to use, trust me. And it has arcade games for children. Yeah, and it also has an HDMI extender in case your TV is a bit complicated behind there. So you can just plug this here and put into the HDMI port and you can start using it. So it's very easy to use and I would rate it around 7 out of 10 because for children, it's very good. But for adults, no, it's not good for adults. But for children, very good.